Hi, welcome to America's Home Place. I'm Jon Kelley. I'm the manager here in the Anderson, South Carolina location. I wanted to take a moment to show you our kitchens and some of the included features that you get. Let's go ahead and start right here with our countertops. We do include granite countertops as an included feature here in the Anderson office. It's going to come with a double bowl undermount sink that's also an included feature. The granite will have a granite backsplash with it, but here in our office showroom, we're showing you that you can do kind of a tile backsplash as well as one of our features if you'd like to choose that. As far as the cabinets go, let's start with one of the great things here. These are going to have a dovetail drawer. They're going to be soft close drawers and doors for all of the cabinets included. The cabinets are also going to be what we call a staggered cabinet. So your upper cabinets are going to have a little bit of different profile and height. Some kind of will step up, some step down. And we also have one that actually steps forward a little bit. The cabinet over the top of the refrigerator is going to be a 24-inch deep cabinet. It gives you a little more storage up there and a better profile view as well. So those are some of the features here. For our appliances, we're going to be doing stainless steel in our showroom, but you can also choose from a black one or a white one. You're going to get the range, you're going to get the microwave, and we have a dishwasher that's hiding underneath the island here as well. Some of our homes are going to come with an island as a standard, and in every house you can choose an optional island if you'd like. Size it how you want it. This one is shown with kind of the optional eat ledge underneath there, so you can pull these bar stools up, early morning breakfast, snacks in the afternoon, whatever, we've got you covered here. I think that just about wraps up the kitchen for today. Thank you for your time. Make sure and come visit us here at our Anderson showroom in Anderson, South Carolina, or visit us online at americashomeplace.com.